Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa lórí fọ́nrán tí the meeting tí wọ́n ò lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fún gbogbo àwọn ọba ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà kò sí àríyànjiyàn kankan. Ọ̀ní ó kọjá wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ o, everybody mọ̀, kò nídìí ká máa fi òjò ká máa fi pe òjò ká máa fi òjò ká máa fi pe òjò, kò jọra wọn. Bàbá ta máa ń tọ́ kó má dẹran nídìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká yé máa sọ àwọn bóròbótú ọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ fídíò ẹ̀ ń sìn. Ọ̀ní gbé gbogbo wọn jòkó ni tó ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, kí ló fẹ́ farédèrèdè? Ó gbé gbogbo wọn jòkó, ó fi everybody sí position ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ibi tó ń fi bàbá Aláàfin sí ibẹ̀ náà dáa náà, at least wọ́n ṣàwà wájú, àbí? Ibi tó ń gbé Aláàfin sí yẹn náà ò dáa, at least wájú ni wọ́n jòkó sí, kì í ṣàǹṣe pé wọ́n lọ jòkó sáàárín. Wọ́n wà wájú, ojú wọn ń tó gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n ń kọ́ wọn. Gbogbo nǹkan tí Ọ̀ní ń kọ́ wọn, wọ́n á lè gbọ́ràn, wọ́n á lè gbọ́ dáadáa. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀ní gbọ́ràn. Ẹ wo, nígbà tí wọ́n lọ sí ṣé Ìsẹ́yìn náà lọ àbí ibo náà lọ, àwọn ọmọ area boys wọn ò jẹ́ kí bàbá lọ o. Àwọn ọmọ mi ní ìgboro ayé wọn ò jẹ́ kí Aláàfin lọ, wọ́n dí ọ̀nà ni, wọn ò jẹ́ ká Aláàfin kọjá. Ó jura wọn, ó pọ̀n lẹ̀ bí yẹ̀pẹ̀. Ẹ wo fọ́nrán yẹn ń sìn, kò nídìí gbogbo bóròbótó ọ̀rọ̀ kankan. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká tiẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Ọ̀ní sọ ní nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lÉkòó lánàá fún ìpàdé council of meeting Obas.
Charismatic governor of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Please, he deserves a very resounding round of applause. I think we can do better for him for bringing this to reality. Thank you so very much on behalf of all of us, all my brother monarchs. We can go on and on for what you have done for us today. For the mere fact that you have brought all your brother governors by mere honoring us with their noble and very executive seat, mere looking at them and sitting in our midst is way enough for us. Thank you so very much. And also our very own chairman of Progressive Governors Forum. I actually wonder that if you are not a governor, you will be a traditional ruler by now. Our drummer, who is very pro in terms of everything we do, want to use this opportunity again to thank you, His Excellency Governor Hope Uzodinma. Thank you so very much for everything you do for us. On behalf of all traditional rulers, please, we can honor him more than this. Very supportive. Your Eminence, you have heard the speech delivered by him today, and I saw you nodding your head. You always say good things in terms of your diplomatic powers, and we can see now that he said whenever we are appointed as king, indeed we are kings, and our ruling is not tenure. But Your Excellency, please stop giving us query. You will quote law for us now that you are the one that appointed us. We traditional rulers, and I'm very sure my other brother kings can confirm that. Also, Sultan of Sokoto. We are not competing with you. we are there to complement you in everything we do. We will continue to support your executive powers, but please, please and please, don't relegate us according to the constitution that we are under the local government chairman. Please help us out in everything we do. We will continue to complement your efforts. We will continue to support your positive initiative, and also we will continue to put Nigeria first. As you have said, we are Barak, soldier go, soldier come, Barak remain. Please nurture the barracks very well. Don't let the barrack break down. If you don't repaint the barrack and you don't maintain the barrack will depreciate very fast. On behalf of all of us, we want to thank you again for what you have all done. Because of time, we know you are so busy. We want to thank you so very much for your presence. Particularly also our host, Kabiyesi Olowo himself. We want to thank him. Thank you for that correction. On behalf of all of us again, the traditional host, Olowo Kabiyesi Oba of Lagos, who is here with us, and we can see all the routine of kings from Lagos to representing, indeed, this is Lagos. Thank you for your time. Thank you for accommodating all of us from all the corners of this country. And as also pointed out by His Excellency Senator Hope Uzodinma, the keynote speech, because it's wearing two caps, we thank you for representing Mr. President and declaring this our next meeting open. Also, we will not forget your keynote address. It's a very good paper for us to work with. We would really like you to actually do the multiple copies for us to archive. May God Almighty bless you and bless all the works of your hand. Thank you so very much for coming. And Nigeria, that is bigger than all of us, will continue to flourish and nurture in leaps and bounds. May God bless our leaders. May God bless our political leaders. May God bless our governors. May God bless our president. And may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, His Imperial Majesty. I hear all your officials, the Co-Chairman, NCRN, Your Excellencies, Your Royal Highnesses, please bring to hand the opening ceremony. But before we go, we'd like to invite all other governors to please step forward for a group photograph on the stage. Group photograph.
inú ẹ ti rí nsìn inú ẹ ti fojú ara yín rí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Ọ̀yọ́ ó yẹ kára yín balẹ̀ eléyìí kì í ṣe photoshop tẹ́ ń ṣe o kì í ṣe photoshop tẹ́ ń ṣe o tẹ́ ẹ lọ máa ṣe bíi tí Ọọ̀ni tó ti ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ kí Aláàfin ṣó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ kò lè possible náà eléyìí kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rí gbogbo àwọn ọba Sultan of Sokoto ọba àwọn Núpé gbogbo ọba pápátá ló wà ń bẹ̀ wọ́n wá lọ select àwọn tó jẹ́ olórí fún gbogbo region wọ́n wá lọ ṣàwọn kó wọn sókè wọ́n ti wá gbé fún Ọọ̀ni pé bàbá yìí ọ̀rọ̀ dáṣẹ́ ká lẹ́nu ẹ̀ ìwọ ni wàá ṣe olórí fún gbogbo wọn, gbogbo àwọn tó kù. Pé Ọọ̀ni òun láṣọ olórí fún gbogbo wọn títí lọ dé orí àwọn Sultan Òṣogbo. Òun náà lẹ́rí yẹn, he gave space. Sultan Òṣogbo tó náà gave space ń bẹ̀. The number one person tó wọ́n náà ni Ọọ̀ni. Ilẹ̀ wa lẹ́wà náà, orí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lẹ́wà. So bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ ìwọ̀n ara wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ ìwọ̀n ara wa. Gbogbo èmi jù ẹ́, èmi ò jù ẹ́. A nídìí gbogbo yẹn mọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dẹ́kun, ẹ jẹ́ ká mẹ́nu kúrò ńbẹ̀. Èmi jù ẹ́, èmi ò jù ọ́, kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó wà ńlẹ̀ nìyẹn. À ń wá positive result lórí meeting tẹ́ lọ ṣe yìí o. Kì í ṣe kẹ̀kẹ́ lọ ṣe meeting lọ́balọ́ba kẹ́ ká gbádá kiri ká má rìn gbọ́n kankan o. Ẹ lọ ṣe pàdé ẹfinú konú kólúkálùkù mọ̀nà ilé ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká pín. Ẹ sọ fún wọn, ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n mú òkè náà kó máa para wọn lọ. Wọ́n ti ń kó bá wa ń sìn o. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ ń rí. Ẹ̀yin bàbá wa. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ ti rí ń sìn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn náà ti kán mójútó Israel tán, káwọn ti Yíbò náà káwọn náà mójútó titi wọn, káwa ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ká mójútó ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Irú ìpàdé tá à ń expect kẹ́ pèrè o. Gómìnà Sanwó-Olú ẹ ṣé o fún ìpàdé tẹ́ pè yìí. Ó kù nìbọn rò o. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ sọ fún wọn, ẹ tètè pè pàdé padà o, kẹ́ ẹ sọ fún wọn o. Kán di náà ti mú, káwa náà di ilẹ̀ wa mú. Kán release àwọn èèyàn wa fún wa tó wà ní Kogi. Àwọn èèyàn wa tó wà ní Kwara State, à ń fẹ́ wọn padà o. Wọn kì í ṣe Fúlàní o. Àwọn ọmọ ìyá mi tó wà ní Kwara, wọn ń ṣe Fúlàní o. Ẹ free wọn. Bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. Ìlú ò rọgbọ. A fẹ́ Fúlàní mọ́ lórí ilẹ̀ wa. We will continue to say it. Kò sí àjọra wa. Ẹ má máa sọ pé we are one. Kò síbi tá a ti gbà tá a fi jẹ one. We are not one at all. Oko kì í jẹ́ ti bàbá àtọmọ kó má làálà. Àjọra wa, àdẹ̀ kì í jẹ oúnjẹ kan, àdẹ̀ ní àṣà kan, ní ìṣe kan. Kò sí nǹkan tá a ní tó jẹ́ àjọṣepọ̀ tán lè fi máa fi wá pé ọmọ ìyá ni wọ́n. Kò sí nǹkan kan at all. So therefore, kó lọ mú gbọ́mú ìyá ẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀yin ti náà tẹ́ gbọ̀nà ìlú yín lọ. A ò fẹ́ mọ́ lórí ilẹ̀ wa o. Ẹ̀yin Fúlàní ajínigbé. Ẹ̀yin Fúlàní darandaran. Inú igbó la sínwín ń gbé. Inú igbó náà nílé yín. Inú igbó nílé yín. Ẹ̀yin mùjẹ̀mùjẹ̀. Ẹ fi àwọn ọmọ ìyá wa lọ́rùn sílẹ̀. A fẹ́ yín mọ́ lórí ilẹ̀ wa. A fẹ́ yín mọ́. Ẹ̀yin bàbá wọ̀nyí gan lọ́rọ̀ la ní bá sọ̀rọ̀ jù, ẹ̀yin kábíyèsí wọ̀nyí. Ẹ̀yin governors wa. Ìpàdé tẹ́ pè lánàá, gbogbo governors ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lẹ kó wà ńbẹ̀ o. Bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. A ní rí jù báyìí lọ. Thank you.